children, welcome back. Today we'll see nature of fruits. Next topic, quadratic equation. Okay, without wasting any time, let us get into the topic. In last class we learned how to use formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus r minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is our quadratic formula. In this quadratic formula, b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. It is discriminant, can be mentioned with d or delta. Why it is called as discriminant? Because this is the value which decides how the roots will be. Okay, now with examples I'll show you how b square minus 4ac plays a major role in the to decide the nature of fruits. We'll see now. So b square minus 4ac, we have three conditions. Okay, b square minus 4ac greater than 0, b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, b square minus 4ac less than 0. Okay, these are the three conditions we are going to discuss now. What will be the roots, we'll see practically. Okay, now I will take b square minus 4ac greater value, any greater value I will take. Greater than 0 I will take 4. So x is equals to, if you take 4, so minus b plus or minus root 4 by 4 divided by 2a. It means what? Minus b plus or minus root 4 value is 2 by 2a. See, this is the real number. This is the value of real number. See, x is real here, because b and a, these are all real numbers. We already discussed in standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, a not equals to 0, and a, b, c are real numbers. See, a, b, c are real numbers. I got here real numbers. So roots are real. Roots are real here. And when b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Okay. Now I will take b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. X is equals to minus b plus or minus root over, I am taking b square minus 4ac value as 0 by 2a. So I will get b square minus b by 2a. So plus or 0 can be written. So I like plus or minus 0. And next minus b by 2a plus 0 minus b by 2a minus 0. So what are the roots I am getting? Minus b by 2a, minus b by 2a. Both are equal here. See here, both are equal. Two roots I got, both are equal. So when b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, roots are equal. Okay, when b square minus 4ac equals 0, roots are equal. The quadratic equation will have equal roots. Let us take the third condition, that is less than 0. Less than 0 is nothing but negative value. Okay, x is equals to minus b plus or minus root over any value you can take. I will take minus 3 by 2a. Now see here, root over minus 3, it is not a real number, it is an imaginary number. Any value with negative sign under root becomes an imaginary number, it is not a real number. So here roots are not real. In third case, roots are not real. Okay, when b square minus 4ac is less than 0, roots are not real. When b square minus 4ac greater than 0, roots are real. Okay. B square minus 4ac is equals to 0, roots are equal. Third case, b square minus 4ac less than 0, roots are not real. Okay. Let us see clearly now by taking quadratic equations. I will show how to find this. I will give you three types of quadratic equations. So I have written three quadratic equations. We'll find what is the nature of roots. First, compare with standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a not equals to 0. So I'll write values. A value here is how much? 1. Monoquadratic equation. A value 1, b is 2, c value is minus 3. Now find the discriminant value. So what is the discriminant value? D equals to b square minus 4ac. So d value, substitute these values. Minus 4 into a is 1 into c is minus 3. This is 4 minus of minus plus 12. So d value is 16, which is greater than 0. When d value is greater than 0, what is the condition? How the roots will be? Is real. So given quadratic equation will have real roots. Okay. Second one. Here real and distinct roots. Roots will be different. They are not equal. Okay. Real and distinct roots. Distinct is nothing but different. It will have different roots. When d is greater than 0, roots are real and distinct. Here a value we have 1, monoquadratic equation again, b value is 4, c value also 4. We'll try to find b square minus 4ac value. B square minus 4ac value how much here? 4 square minus 4 into a is 1, c is also 4. This is 16 minus 16. We got b square minus 4ac value as 0. Then here roots are real and equal. It will have equal roots. Real and equal. If greater than 0, real and distinct. Real and distinct. Okay. We'll see now third case. Here a value is 1, b value also 1, c value also 1. B square minus 4ac value we'll try to find. B square is 1 whole square minus 4 into a is 1, c also 1. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3, which is less than 0. It is less than 0. When b square minus 4ac value is less than 0, roots are not real. Roots are not real. Just you have to write not real. This is the concept of nature of roots. This is how we decide the nature of roots. Here real and equal. Question may be asked in this is, he can ask to find the nature of roots, or he will directly give given quadratic equation has real and equal roots. He will miss any of these three terms are there, any one value coefficient he will change as k, and he will ask you to find it. That example I will say one example now. So we will see that one more time. This is how we decide nature of roots based on the value of b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is called as what? It is called as discriminant. Okay. Now we will see application on b square minus 4ac. So this is a quadratic equation given. Question will be, so given quadratic equation has real and equal roots, find the value of k. So here coefficient not given, k given, but hint given as roots are equal. If roots are equal, what is the condition we have to write? Given b square minus 4ac value is 0. Why it is 0? Because he already said given quadratic equation has equal roots. Okay, just write the values. A value is 4, b value is k, c value is 9. Just substitute these values here. B is k square minus 4 into a is 4, here c is 9 is equals to 0. So k square minus, this is how much? 16 into 9 is 144 equals to 0. Send 144 to other side, transport it, 144, k value is root over 144. Whenever we write root, it will have two values, plus or minus. So k value is plus or minus 12. If you write only 12, you will lose marks here, because root is there, it will have two values, plus and minus. Every square root will have plus and minus values, so plus or minus 12. Okay, so this is how the application of nature of roots. Question may ask like this on application. So this is the topic of nature of roots. Hope you understood this. Practice it well. We'll meet you in next class. Thank you, children. Have a good day.